Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is dream recorders. Yes, this is not a science fiction anymore, but it's a reality now. So let's get started and see how it works. Basically, what are dream recorders? I'll tell you in simple words. This is a device that records your dream when you are sleeping, and it plays your dream back on a computer screen just like a normal video. So a few Japanese researchers, doctors and engineers, they developed and the engineers developed the algorithm that can decode what you are thinking. They did this by tracking your brain activity, and for tracking this brain activity they used fMRI machines. These are functional magnetic resonance imaging machines that are used to get a scan of your brain and which parts of your brain are activated. So using this machine you can get an idea of that. And how this machine works, we will not go into very details of that, but let me tell you, they work with magnetic fields. Very strong magnetic fields are used. Along with that, radio waves are also used. So let's see how it's done. Before we move on to the method that is going to be used, I will show you this image. This is the image that was presented to a subject. This one. This is a plus sign, you can see, and this one was the image. On the right hand side there you can see it was the image reconstructed image from the fMRI scans. This is not very smooth or very accurate, but it's not that bad either. It's an approximate image, but it works. It's not that bad. Let's see how it works. At first, the subject is made to lie on this bed, you can see. On this bed, the subject is made to lie, and he is made to lie in such a way that his head is inside this cylindrical machine. This is the fMRI machine, and he's asked to fall asleep in this machine. And when he falls asleep, he might start dreaming, and when he is dreaming, his brain activities are monitored on a screen continuously. You can see this is a fMRI scan image. This is a scan. You can see this part is highlighted. This part is highlighted in yellow. What does this mean? This means that this part of his brain is showing some activity. There is some kind of activity in this particular region. So what we do is we wake up this person suddenly and we ask him what he was seeing in his dream. Let's suppose he tells that he was seeing a building, and let us suppose that this part of his brain was shown active in the scan. So now I know that whenever he visualizes a building, this part of his brain gets activated. So this is a building. This part represents a building. He is visualizing a building, so this part of his brain is activated. I'm just taking a random example. By this method I can map for every object. This process is repeated about 200 times, and for every object I get the map, which part of brain is responsible for which object. I get a complete map. And now when the person is dreaming, when the person is sleeping inside this machine and he is dreaming, I can tell from the scan which part of his brain is active and what that part is responsible for. Suppose I get this part active and I know that this part represents a building. So I map every region of his brain into some objects, and by checking which part of his brain is now activated, I can get what object he is actually visualizing in his dream. And that's how we are going to reconstruct the entire dream. Now let me tell you that we are using, not we, the scientists are using very advanced algorithms for this decoding purposes. These are computer algorithms. So these machines are about 60% accurate. That is not bad. This technology has just emerged, and still it has achieved about 60% accuracy. That's very good. That's very good. And with more research and more advanced algorithms, I think we can reconstruct the dreams with much higher accuracy. So this is no more a science fiction, it's a reality now. This is all for today's lecture. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye.